The clear trend in 5G enhanced mobile broadband is towards real-time and interactive applications like e-gaming or augmented reality, virtual reality. But how can we test the quality of mobile networks to support these interactive and real-time applications? Interactivity is characterized by bitrate, latency, and continuity. And Rohde & Schwarz combines all these three technical KPIs into a single test, the interactivity test. Our smartphone-based measurement software Qualibok Android sends a packet sequence over the mobile network via 5G or LTE or any other technology to an internet host that supports the TWAMP, the two-way active measurement protocol, and that reflects immediately all the packets. Qualibok Android then calculates the round-trip latency, the packet delay variation, and the packet error rate. And finally concludes an interactivity score. Let's do a short test. You see in the Qualibok Android software that the phone is attached to LTE network. You see here 1800 megahertz is the frequency band. You see very good coverage here above 70 dBm RSRP. And you see also very good signal to interference and noise ratio of above 30 dB. Start the campaign here with the interactivity test. You see I choose here constant high bit rate, just one test cycle. I start the measurement. It takes 2 seconds and it will take around about 15 megabit per second in uplink direction data rate. You see here we didn't lose any packets and we have a round-trip latency around 50 milliseconds, max up to 80 milliseconds, packet delay variation in a good range here, and an interactivity score is calculated to 66%. A more detailed analysis can be seen in our data analytics software tool Smart Analytics. With interactivity test, Rohde & Schwarz is measuring the network performance and quality for future real-time and interactive applications like e-gaming. It also helps creating a scalable quality of experience profile for future 5G ultra-reliable low latency communication use cases like smart manufacturing that really requires low latencies. So we say that Rohde & Schwarz mobile network testing is URLLC ready.